Success. What is success? Man, honestly, not everybody can be successful, man. Not everybody has what it takes to be successful. And in today's video, I'm going to break down exactly the reason why you may or may not be successful. And I'm also going to break down the reason why not everybody can be successful. But before I do, please make sure you like, please make sure you comment, please make sure you subscribe. Yo, relax, buddy. Hold on. Sit down. Sit. Sorry, guys. But before I do, please make sure you like, please make sure you comment, and please make sure you subscribe, okay? All right, without further ado, let's get it started. You know, when I was on my personal growth journey, man, I was trying to define success. I'm like, man, what does it mean to be a successful person? And there was this clip I'm gonna play right now.
When we say about 5% achieve success, we have to define success. And here's the definition. Success is the progressive realization of a worthy ideal. If a man is working toward a predetermined goal and knows where he's going, that man is a success.
So he basically helped me understand what success is, right? The progressive realization of a worthy ideal. Now, what does that even mean? What I got from that, it's like, as long as you're progressing towards, like you have a goal and you're doing things to progress towards that goal, you're successful. You're a successful person, you're a successful individual. But you may not feel successful because you haven't achieved the goal, right? So what normally happens, and this happened to me too, what normally happens is you will set a goal and you will start moving. You know, you will start doing the right things. Like, let's say you have a goal to go to the gym or to lose 10 pounds, and you start that diet, you join for the membership, you start going to the gym, you know, you start getting into that habit. As long as you continue to do it and you have a goal of 10 pounds that you want to lose, as long as you continue to do the things that will get you to lose those 10 pounds and you see progress, like you start seeing, oh, I lost 2 pounds this week, I lost 3 pounds this week. Once you start seeing that progress, you basically are successful, right? But you may not feel successful because you haven't lost 10 pounds. So what would normally happen is you will lose 1 pound, you will lose 2 pounds, you will lose 3 pounds, and you're like, man, F this, like I don't even want to do this no more. So that means that like you gave up on that progression and you're no longer successful, right? So now that we're on the same page as far as what success is, now let me explain to you why you may not be successful right now. The reason why you may not be successful right now is because you started a goal, you started achieving something, but you gave up. You gave up like in the middle of it, you gave up before you even started, you gave up when things got tough, you gave up at one point in time. And so you weren't able to fulfill that goal. You weren't able to see it all the way through. And that's usually how, you know, most people stop being successful. For anybody to change that, I think even for me, it's like you have to change your idea of what it means to be successful. And you have to change your idea of wanting to achieve success right away. And I think that plays a big part in, you know, your self-esteem. It plays a big part of, you know, how you got raised. All that plays a big part in you completing that success, you completing that goal. You know, when I started in real estate, for the first 6 months, I was doing the right things. I was making things work, but I wasn't seeing any results. So I thought like, man, this isn't working for me. Like, I'm not successful. Like, this is probably not gonna happen for me. And so when I did that, I started switching into like other avenues. Like I started like looking at Amazon FBA. I started looking at flipping things. I started being distracted with all of these other shiny objects. And that derailed me further from being successful at my original goal, which was to make money in real estate. So once I realized that, I started being consciously aware of when I'm giving up and, you know, the emotions that arise from me right before I give up. So once I started being consciously aware of that, I made it so that I don't stop. I made it so that I give myself at least 3 years to figure this out, 5 years to figure this out, because even if I achieve this goal in 5 years or before or at the 5-year mark, I will still feel really happy. I will still feel really content, and I will feel very successful because I achieved the goal. It takes time. It takes time for you to understand. It takes time for you to figure it out. It takes time for you to know the ins and the outs. And not a lot of people are giving themselves that time to be able to figure that out. And I will blame it on instant gratification, man. We live in such a world where we want things like this, right? Especially when it comes to porn. We can watch porn like that, and we can fulfill our sexual needs by ourselves just by watching porn like that. Sometimes even on social media, you wake up in the morning and you're bored. Boom, you pick up your phone and all of a sudden you're not bored anymore. So that instant gratification, you continuously needing that makes it harder for you to become successful, because you want now the goal that you have to happen right now. And the thing is that it's not gonna happen right now. It's not going to happen tomorrow. It's not going to happen today. It's not going to happen in a week from now. Well, depending on the goal that you have, right? It's not going to happen so soon. And for you to give up because it hasn't happened in 6 months, it hasn't happened in 1 year, that's bullshit. That's bullshit, man. And I want this to be a wake-up call for you to be able to realize that, look, if you have a goal to make 10 grand in 1 month, it's not gonna happen in 3 months, guys. You're not gonna go from 0 to 10 grand in 3 months, okay? You might go from zero to 2 grand in 3 months. You might go from 0 to 1 grand in 10 months, but you're not gonna go from 0 to 10 grand, right? So it's a progression. So when I was selling cars, I started making 3 grand in 1 month, and I realized, like, okay, well, I'm making 3 grand. Let me see if I can make 4 grand. Let me see if I can make 5 grand. Let me see if I can make 6 grand. And so I started just progressing slowly. I already knew I wanted to make 10 grand, but let me see if I can first get that small piece, man. Let me just give me a small piece to let me know that is possible. So for me to go from even 3 grand to 3,500, I was like, whoa, yeah, it's working. I'm doing something. So let me see if I can even increase even more, right? So that's really what I wanted to talk about today, man. If you don't feel successful, if you aren't successful, realize what success is. Redefine your definition of success. Take the definition of success that I just gave you, where it's the progressive realization of a worthy ideal. So now you have to put a goal in mind, and then you go ahead and you start taking the small steps, small actions every single day that will get you towards that goal that you have. And once you start even doing those things in your mind, you should already feel like you're being a successful person, because technically, based on that definition, you are. But here's the caveat. You don't want it to be like, oh, okay, yeah, I'm a successful person, yeah, you know what I'm saying? Like, and then like, you stop doing it, right? Don't let you thinking that you're successful mean that you have to stop doing the things that you do to make you successful. For you to continue to be a successful person, you have to continue to take these actions. And every single day you can be successful based on the actions that you take. So link success to action. So as long as you're taking action towards your goal, you're successful. As long as you continue to take action towards your goal, you're successful. So I hope that video helps, guys. Man, make sure you don't give up, okay? Things are tough. Things do get tough. It gets tough for me too. I understand. I feel you. It took me 2 years to achieve what I want to achieve in my life. And even right now, I still make mistakes, and I still go through things, and I still have other goals that I want to achieve. And for me to achieve these goals, I have to redefine what success is for me to achieve that goal, and I have to continue to keep doing the things that will make me successful. Anyways, it's your boy, Kenny Ken Doom. If this is your first time watching this video, man, please make sure you like, please make sure you subscribe, guys. It helps me out a lot. and share this message to anybody else. And I'll see you on the next video. Peace.